Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have a quick tip for you if you happen to be one of those people that is doing a large party in a very, very pristine place that needs to be protected. Now, I do parties all the time, and a lot of the places that I'm doing my events will have carpet, and you've got to be very careful when you're doing arts and crafts with the carpet. So what we use is a product called carpet mask or carpet protection tape. It'll go either way. Usually you can find this in paint stores or in some hardware stores, but the place that I get mine is Uline, and this is carpet protection tape. And as you can see, this is very, 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 very wide. This is 48 inches wide by 200 feet long. And that'll do a pretty good sized space. I mean, if you're doing a big, long crafting table, this is totally enough to cover a whole big wide area, probably about a 10 by 20 area. Now, here's the thing though. It's not easy to put down. Once you get the hang of it, it's not bad, but it's pretty tricky just to get it started. It looks, when you take it out of the box, like one of these giant, like saran wraps. It's like a giant saran wrap tube, and it's sticky. So it's like plastic saran wrap with a sticky back. So you can understand that it's like when you pull saran wrap off and you know how it gets kind of clings to itself. Well, this is even worse because it's got the sticky back. But once you get it going and you start pulling it and laying it down on the floor, it's awesome. And I will tell you, once you get the hang of doing it, it's pretty easy. And it makes a lot of sense on the way you put it down. So it comes in 24 inches wide, it comes in 36 inches wide, and then it comes in 48 inches wide. And it comes in usually 200 or 100 foot lengths. So that is carpet mask or carpet protection tape. And if you are doing messy projects, I totally suggest it for you. So for more quick tips like this, especially if you're doing big parties, check us out, sophie-world.com.